y'all. Bike ride here. Pretty epic conditions right now. Oh crap! My sunglasses. Bad. Thought that would be an interesting angle, but I dropped it down a little bit. Not really that interesting now. So, got the electric rad wagon 4. I've been looking at the rad wagon for a super long time. Not really looking at any other brands, but I just wasn't happy with the tire size with the rad wagon original, which would be the 3, I guess, which was a 26 by 2, 26 by 2.2 maybe. 3 tire probably could fit on there. That being said, without suspension, you know what riding on that tire is like. It's going to be very pleasant, jarring. Just feel like an old clunker, any old clunker bike that has 10 times the weight of this massive frame, and then on those small tires. I know why they did it, to keep the efficiency and speed and stability of the tire high and the user's confidence level high. Wow, some classic icicles occurring up there. Classification, that's a indicator you're probably growing weed, actually. Classification, I learned that on that New York, Alaskan troopers. A classic. Oh man, I should go get the scooter out. Oh, I love getting the scooter out in these conditions. John Deere for the school, I guess. Got a couple errands. Yeah, I think the scooter would be hella fun. This thing's really stable, so I might as well just stick to this. I got a broken ankle. Like, What a horrible surprise. Wow, you too. Jeez. Just disregard fishing. But it's just really chunky. And it's like, oh man, they've just jumped so much de-icer here. It's just like, I can feel it's like melting snow. Snow is just melting under your feet, slushing away. It's known that Mount Baker, our local mountain, has similar snow to this, very wet, compact. Just very wet layer that makes for essentially world-class training camp. And it is this wet snow in the colder, higher climate areas. You get that dry powder where you're not really getting wet. You get, you fall and you're sitting on